Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the ecozy. Today, we'll dive into their features, ice production capabilities, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your home. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker is a budget-friendly option at just $59, making it accessible for many households. In contrast, the ecozy nugget ice maker is priced at $239, which reflects its premium features and higher ice production capacity. While the Sweetcrispy is perfect for those on a budget, the ecozy may appeal to those who prioritize quality and performance. In terms of ice production, the Sweetcrispy can produce 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is decent for small gatherings. However, the ecozy takes the lead with an impressive 33 pounds of chewable nugget ice daily. This higher capacity makes the ecozy a better choice for larger parties or frequent use, ensuring you never run out of ice when you need it most. The type of ice produced is another significant difference. The Sweetcrispy makes bullet ice, which is great for cooling drinks, but may not be as enjoyable for chewing. On the other hand, the ecozy produces nugget ice, which is softer, chewable, and often preferred for cocktails and other beverages. This distinction can greatly influence your choice depending on your ice preferences. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and ecozy ice makers have their strengths. If you're looking for an affordable, compact option, the Sweetcrispy is a solid choice. However, if you need higher ice production and prefer nugget ice, the ecozy is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.